Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with HubSpot, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hubspot.com and hit enter. Once the HubSpot homepage loads, look for the Get Started Free button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Get Started Free button. You will be directed to a registration page with fields to enter your email address. Type your email address in the specified field. After entering your email, click on the Get Started or Create Account button. Next, you will receive go to your email inbox and locate the email from HubSpot. Open the verification email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to HubSpot's registration process. You will now be prompted to fill in additional information, including your full name and password. Choose a strong password that meets HubSpot's security requirements. After filling in the required fields, click on the Next button to proceed. You may be asked to provide your company name and size. Fill in the necessary details about your company. Once completed, click on the Next button again. At this stage, HubSpot may inquire about your goals or how you plan to use the platform. Select the options that best match your interests or goals. After making your selections, click Next to continue. You will then be presented with an overview of HubSpot's services. Review the information to ensure you understand what HubSpot offers. Finally, click the Start My Free Trial button to complete your registration. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with HubSpot and can now begin exploring the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.